Well, one of the biggest advantages of being a part of this large organization, having 65 locations across the country, is that I can piggyback on the experience of another territory, such as in Atlanta, and understand how they approach, whether it's their workflow or their customers or their equipment. And I don't have to recreate the wheel. I can gain some of their experience and maybe avoid some of their mistakes, and they can do the same for me as well. So, and I think that's expedited our growth. I see what works, and it might work in my market, doesn't always, because all of our markets are very different, but I can definitely learn from what they're doing and maybe try to apply it here. And I think that's really helped our growth and helped us avoid a few mistakes as well.